Today I'm going to show you how to do a simple wrap, a useful way to tie bundles of rods together on many different projects such as the wigwams, animal legs, birdhouses. So here you can see I've got a bundle of sticks, that's my project that I want to tie together. I've got one piece of thicker willow, that's going to be my spacer, and then a piece of willow, that'll be my wrap. So you take your spacer, hold it with your bundle of sticks that you want to wrap, take the piece that you're going to use for your wrap, kink it, and then pop it on and wrap around your bundle of sticks, holding them all together nice and tightly, and keep wrapping until you get to about a foot left at the end of the rod, or enough to feed back through the wrap. Once you get to near the end, you're going to take it all in one hand, pull out the spacer. A little bit of trouble getting mine out here, everything's too tight as normal. Pop that aside, take the end of the rod and push it through the space that you've just created by taking the spacer out. Give it a nice pull. Clip off the ends. And there you have it. I've used these wraps as the top and bottom of one of my birdhouses. Thanks for watching.